Hi, this is Anne-Marie from Wirrawood Angus for another Tuesday 2 Bites Live. It's Tuesday the 2nd of January 2017, so Happy New Year to everyone. Not much happening on the farm today, it's just myself on the farm today, and of course all my beautiful black cattle. A beautiful peaceful day. Our mum with the two sets of twins, one maternal and one adopted, get fed every day about 10 o'clock. So just bear with me today as I'm filming, starring, doing it all. So enjoy the views of the grass as we go into the paddock and see their little beautifuls. Looks like we have some staff. So first we'll feed the mum. Come on beautiful, let's go find your bucket. Come on mummy lady. So this is one of our recipient cows that we bought in from the Grange. Where the darling's got to tip out the water. Good girl. Come on little calfies. Now we feed the little calves. Have to tip out their water too. Might have to give mum a bit extra today. A bit of play as they go back and forward. Come on mummy lady. Come on, let little calfies have some too. Come on little calfies. And I'm just going to sign off now because the calves seem more interested in the camera than they do with the pellets.